How's it going, guys? My name is Mac, proud owner of Cherry Bomb, and today we're going to be unboxing the Lasfit 3-inch LED off-road pods. Let's jump right into it. Starting with the unboxing of the 3-inch LED pods from Lasfit, the first impressions are very high. It's a nice quality box and the product has a good weight to it, which just gives a good first impression. On the outside you have a few things. It just has 3-inch LED pods with a little picture of the pods there. On the right side you have a really cool breakdown schematic of the pods. On the back you have a view of the back where it says designed by Lasfit in California. And then on the right side you have the dimensions where it says off-road use only. And then on the back you have what's included in the kit, features, and specs. Let's jump inside. It does come with this very nice, satisfying drop of the box as it's closed in this lid. Just like that. And you get a very nice unboxing experience here where you get to immediately see your pods. Now I chose for the amber and it looks really good on this background of the black. You can take off the little cardboard here and that'll expose more elements. Alright, on the top you'll see the brackets. Now, it's important to note that these are not the brackets to attach to hoods of your specific vehicle, but these are simply the brackets that will secure the light to whatever you choose to mount it to. Now, it necessarily doesn't have to be a hood. It can be a bumper, a roof rack, anything to your imagination that you want to mount it to. And you'll have a mount on each side. Nice, high quality. Very impressed. And then now you'll actually be able to get to your pods. In here, the connector is simply just underneath the mount. Very nice, high quality, very good metals, and very nice and beautiful lenses. And it is worth noting that you can buy replacement covers. So if you break yours on the trail or it gets into a little accident, you can replace that. You don't have to replace the whole light. Once you take your lights out, you can then pull the nice foam housing. Like I said, I'm very impressed with the overall packaging of these lights. There's very little idea in my mind that these could be damaged while they're in transport. And then at the bottom here, you're going to see these two little circles. You simply just grab those and that's going to give you some more goodies down here. Opening this up, we can see a whole bunch of little things. First thing on top is just going to be a little instructions. It's going to show you what is included in the kit, the features, so your specs, your wiring, and your mounting. And nothing on the back. Then what's nice about these is that the mounts in general use these awesome connectors that are waterproof tight. And what's great also is that the kit includes the pigtail style, so if you want to do your own light setup as far as how you're going to do it with a harness, that comes with that. And then it's going to be over here is your hardware and your tools for the products as well. Now it's important that if you do get these lights, make sure you don't forget to buy your wiring harness. This is the wiring harness from Lasfit. So make sure you don't forget your wiring harness and also don't forget your mounts if you choose to mount them on your hood specifically. I'm still waiting for mine in the mail, so I can't show you, but don't forget your wiring harness and don't forget your hood mounts. Alright, that's going to wrap up the unboxing of the 3-inch LED pods from Lasfit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Full disclosure, they did send these out to me, but they did not pay me in any fashion to say anything that I've said in this video. They specifically told me, you don't have a script, we want your honest feedback, and I am very pleased with these. There will be a review and a demonstration videos coming up soon. I'm just waiting for the mounts to come in the mail, but overall I'm very impressed with them. I have a low standard for lighting because the last truck, all I had was Amazon lights, and honestly I never had any problems with them. They did everything I wanted them to. But when Lasfit reached out and they said, hey, we want to step up your game, let's send you some lights, I was going to take it 100%. And I started with these pods just because I wanted to see what they were like, and also that's the only place that I can mount them right now. I don't have anywhere on the bumper or anything that I want to mount them to because someday I'm going to get a new bumper, so I wanted to keep these long term. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the review and demonstration video, but that's all I got. God bless. We'll see you guys next time. That's all I freaking needed to know. Hey guys. Wow, I'm very white.